Welcome to the demonstration of our electromagnetic crane powered by a hydraulic system. We've designed this crane with 3 different controls to move and operate its mechanical arms. Now, let's see how it works in action. First, we have a switch to activate and deactivate the magnet. By turning it on, the crane can easily lift metallic objects, and with a simple off switch, it releases them. The hydraulic syringes act as our manual control system. One allows us to move the crane arm up and down, while another helps us rotate the base smoothly. Let's test it out. Turning on the magnet, the crane picks up a metallic item. Now, we rotate the arm, move it to another side, and then release it. Mission accomplished. Although the base could be made a little higher for even better performance, this setup clearly shows how hydraulics and electromagnetism can work together to create a functional crane system. Simple, practical, and effective. This is how our electromagnetic crane demonstrates the power of combining mechanics, hydraulics, and electricity